What up? What up? TikTok, Facebook, Insta, everywhere, YouTube. What up? What up? What up? All right. Feel like I haven't been live for 10 years, but I really have just not been live for one day. Yo, yo. Check, check. All right, cool as. Cool as, everything's working. W. Zuma, what up, what up? Awesome. Shem Dog, what up, brother? Young Jack. Harmless Hodge, what up? Nearly 4x the personal. Yeah, bro, personal's out of control. Young Ty, what up, brother? Tristan. Yeah, I'm locked out of my top step. I just nerfed 150 over a couple of these accounts to get them over the line for a payout. So I'm going to focus on the personal today. And that's all. Young Bluey. Bluey, what up? What up? I don't know if I'm going to make a withdrawal on the personal until I get to 100K, to be honest. Vanessa, good to see ya. Good to catch up the other day. Kyle, hey, you guys, price action on gold this week has been dog shit. This is gold this week. Doggy doo-doo da-da. Big Grant, Peter, Shib Dog. What's happening, brother? I'd rather sell gold today or at least get a pullback and then a continuation up. For sure. Because I'm sure you guys know above this level here, it's pretty ugly, man. Jesus. Is it true that after 5 payouts on Top Step, you're guaranteed to move to live? Nah, nothing's guaranteed with them. New camera? No, why would you say that? Does it look better or shitter? Two trades this week. Yeah, Paul, legit, man. Crazy stuff. Doggy doo-doo price action, you guys. Bro, I'm inspired. So am I. Good to have you. What up, Danny? So yeah, let's have a look at this level. You guys, I'm going to do a quick top down here just to get an overview real quick. Get rid of some of this shit. Oh. Type 2 on the daily. So daily's moving up here, broke the previous daily high. 4 hours not loading, cool. 1 hour's not loading, cool. And fucking here we are. Here, let me jump over to TradingView real quick. Okay, so 4 hour pushed up and closed really strong. How did that close on futures? Oh, what? Look at the 4 hour candles on futures. That's so bad, bro. That's so bad. So bad. Wait, am I tripping out? 4 hour? Oh, I'm looking at NQ. Okay, that makes more sense. All right, so similar story, pushing up. There's still a bit of shit to get through on the 4 hour before it's clean traffic. 1 hour pushed up, and now we're kind of retracing a little bit. 30 minutes kind of moving down in an ugly fashion, and 15's just whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see, man. Yes. Let's see, man. Saeed, this is gold. I wonder if there's a way to put a watermark in the background. There you go. Yeah, I think the best case scenario is, you know, getting a pullback here and then trying to buy it back up. I'm pretty bullish, to be honest, but I think we're gonna need a pullback. Did London Station open? Yep, this is London open now, my dude. I just buy from wherever. I mean, if you bought from up here, then you'll be cooked now. That's the issue with buying from wherever. What up, Jackson? Doc's wife. Is 5,000 per month good to start life in Dubai? I mean, you could start life in Dubai however much you want, but it just depends on the quality of the life. I wouldn't live here. There's nothing here, bro. There's nothing in Dubai if you're just on a normal wage. You're way better off just living anywhere else. Yeah. Only live in Dubai if you're an entrepreneur and you have full financial freedom. And even then, it's just like, there's nothing here. There's nothing here that's not anywhere else. Like there's cool, like luxurious rooftops and a lot of luxury. It's just good for business. Like it's good to come to Dubai for a period of the year and then just like set some business shit up and get work done and then just get out. Like I'm flying out in December back to Australia. Then I'm going to go to Dubai. I've only bought a one-way ticket out of here. So I'll be in Australia for a month and I'll go hang out in Bali for maybe another month and just kind of get shit done elsewhere. Like I don't think you want to stay in Dubai like all year round type shit. Definitely in summer either. Got a call from your team yesterday. The network was bad. How can I get in touch? Send me a message. Send me a message on Facebook of your email address. Commit to avoid taxes? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so where my head's at, you guys, is potential pullback and then buy back up. So not happy with Dubai? No, it's not that I'm not happy. Like I'm happy, but I've just realized like you got to use Dubai for what it is, kind of thing. And it's good for a period of time. But then like get out for some part of the year and go see some nature, go see some chicks that aren't trying to scam you and stuff like that. Like, you know. Oh my God. Like the drivers in Dubai are bitches as well. Like hear them just beeping. They'll just hold their beep. They'll just hold their horn. What the fuck? These guys are just crazy. Jesus. Even homeless people make 100K, yeah. Oh my God, these dudes, bro. And it's just like some 55-year-old Persian dude doing it. Horn battle, yeah. Crazy. Okay. So moving down. This 1 hour candle has no top wick. NQ, we'll keep an eye on NQ, I guess. No, we won't keep an eye on NQ. Ugly. Your Jesus is legendary, bro. Yeah, come to stop the beefing for sure, man. I mean, I was driving the other day and some dude, I nearly crashed because I was merging into a lane and some, like the drivers here are real losers. And he was like refusing to let me in. I nearly crashed into him. And then we're on the highway, he literally pulled up like in the middle of the highway. Like it was traffic, but he still pulled up and wasn't letting me past. And I nearly got out of my car to fight him. And then I thought I better not do that because what if I get deported? And I don't want to fight anyone either. No, I didn't live stream yesterday. Why not stand up anymore, bro? Good question. I started, when I moved here, I just had my desk set up with a chair. And then I just got used to sitting on a chair again. I think it's better. I kind of paid my dues already, staying. You consider yourself a good driver? Not only do I consider myself a good driver, I am a good driver. You journal your trades? Yes. Bro, there's volume, impulse entry, stop loss on top of candle. Nah, top of candle, 1 hour open, no top wick. Very risky. Like, that's probably the riskiest thing you could do as a human, is take a fresh 1 hour London open candle with no top wick, impulse sell. Yeah. Are people friendly there? Yeah, people are friendly, I think. Yeah. I'm the driver. Wait, what, Kyle? Are you talking about the thing for Orion? Nah, there's no ruse. There's no ruse. Yeah, this week, you guys, man, a lot of traders have died this week. Like, please be careful. Really shit price action this whole week, to be brutally honest. What's today? Is today Wednesday? Yeah. Virtually nothing good. Oh, Vanessa said she won it. Nah, I think what they do is like, there's like winners. Yeah. No, I think there's winners, and then there's people that win the actual, they fly out and pay for it. But there's a bunch of people where they just said, oh yeah, just come out. Like, you pay for everything and then just come here or something. Like, yeah. Yeah, that's right. No wick on the top. Are you AI? Fuck. Vanessa's not AI. I caught up with her for a call the other day. Yeah, I guess I'll draw something here. Because this could work in our favor, the fact that it has no top wick. Like, if this were to come down and, you know, do something like this, I'll be looking to impulse buy it back up, I think. Target's above that wick. Target is like a created top wick. Yeah, I'll be looking potentially something like this. Have you ever been to MCG? Nah, not really. I don't care about sports other than boxing and UFC and a little bit of golf. Remember when you went absolutely live on YouTube the other day? Bro, I was trying to make a video for Funded Next. I was trying to make a video for Funded Next. Yeah, Pez. I checked my sheet. I had like so many messages. People were like, bro, you realize you're live. What up, JR? Passed both funded phases without going to drawdown, but once I got my hands on the real account, immediately went and drawdown. I would say it's in your mindset. Like, the fact that you even bring up the fact that you passed them without going and drawdown is like a little bit of an insight into your psychology, which is you're thinking about that too much. Like, bro, I would never even think about that. Like, oh, I didn't go into drawdown and who gives a shit? Like, that's not trading. That's like caring about certain things. You know, that's the same mindset. Have you ever like had an account and you've had like $997 profit, and you're like, let me just get another trade to get it to 1,000, and then you lose and you lose, and it's like that human mind, that human psychology of like, you know, you want certain things a certain way. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, Pez, I thought you were, did you do another live? I seen your story. Back on the fucking live horse, my G. If you were a UFC fighter, which weight would you? I don't know. I don't know. I'm 85 kilos, so whatever that is. Big Chuck Liddell. Have you seen Chuck Liddell these days? If I could, that's how he sounds. Happy International Men's Day to all the gentlemen here, especially to this one, Dan. And open my eyes. Marcus. I don't know why I'm laughing, just because of your name and the emojis and the capitals. That's fucking gold. Yeah, happy Men's Day. I don't know what that means, but fucking, let's get it. Oh, you slept through it. Wow. Been losing so much money in the past 2 days? Yeah, a lot of people would have. It's been really tough conditions on gold. Exactly what I did. I was 5 times at 970. And I was like, oh, yeah, you want to get it to that point, and then you just cooks you. I've blown challenge accounts at like $10 away. Like, I'm not even joking. Because you think about, oh, okay, I'll just put a trade on, just get to $10, and now you're down 50. So now you have to put a bigger trade on to get the 50, and you lose that. Now you're down to 150. Now you need a bigger one to get, and then I've blown the whole thing. You know what I mean? I'm just challenging it, bro. You're fucking. That's fucked. Is NFP on Thursday? Nah, I don't think that's true. You grew your account 200 to 3K and then lost it all? Yeah, sounds about fair. I mean, I've grown this one from 5K to 1,800. Stop ignoring me. Teach me. Bro, you said teach me. Stop ignoring me. And then I read your message. You just said teach me. Okay. Fucking fly to Dubai. I'll sit down with you for like a 3-day boot camp and teach you. How about that? But you gotta pay for the flights. You gotta pay for accommodation. You know, there's chicks that are gonna scam you on the way, and like, so you do that and I'll teach you. Just DM me on one of my social medias, mdub. How do you get over that mental stage? Yeah, it's typically just time on the charts and just pain. Yeah, time on the charts and pain mainly. So potential, man, I'd really like to buy gold, so I'd love to see something here and then buy it back up. So we'll see how this candle's going to tell a big story here. Thank you, Abarup. I think the buy should be buy. I mean, yeah, it just depends. I'd like to buy, yeah. You've not been able to trade a challenge. You've been trading for a year. Yeah, it took me a couple of years, like, but it doesn't need to. The biggest thing is, do you have a strategy? Not, oh yeah, I know, I think I have a strategy. Like, do you have a full fleshed out strategy? You know everything about it. Like if I was in an elevator with you and I just threw elevator pitch questions at you, would you be able to go bang, bang, bang? Oh yeah, 25 ticks, stop loss in this market condition, this market open, boom, boom. A lot of people are like, yeah, like the 1 minute FVG gets formed and then I buy. And it's like, what about in these conditions? What about with this scenario? You know, they don't know. Hi from Syria, what up, what up? Need personal advice? Can we talk in private? No, we can't talk in private, bro. Too busy. Today is FOMC, tomorrow is NFP. Really? How did I miss this? I thought NFP was always the first Friday of the new month. Oh wow, tomorrow's NFP stream, you guys. Damn, tomorrow's NFP stream. You guys get your fucking NFP glasses ready for tomorrow's NFP stream. Get your NFP glasses ready for tomorrow. Should try to add quarterly pips strategy to your strategy. Nah. Danny, you talking to me? Would you blow your account after 3 payouts on Bullinox? I don't know. Why can't I see the countdown? It's really annoying. Oh, now I can. Okay, let's see if we get a bit of strength in this. I might want to buy back up. Strap in for NFP, yes. Oh, maybe that's what it is, Bluey, yeah. Bro, NFP, this could be one of the craziest NFPs ever. This could be one of the, maybe that's why the markets have been so choppy. We've got FOMC and NFP today. This could be one of the wildest NFPs in a long time. Strap in. Put all your fundeds on the line and let's fucking get it. You know, it's a shame you can't pass. I mean, the thing with Bullinox is like I used to just load up Bullinox accounts on NFP and then, you know, you can put one in one direction, one in the other direction and just let them go, which is hedging. You can't hedge with Top Step. They don't allow it, but you can hedge on Bullinox. How much it took time to become for you good trader, and also with what kind of capital you start and what leverage, if it's not a secret. It's a secret. No, it's just all you need to do is buy a cheap prop firm account. And if you don't know what that is, look into prop firms and just buy a cheap account. And it's like $50 and that's all you need to become a successful trader. Bro, but the government is closed, I think. No, I think the government's not closed anymore. Are you aware that gold is connected with Bitcoin as well? I mean, everything's kind of connected in some way, but it's not connected because... You mean Bitcoin's connected to gold, not the other way around. Gold's been around much longer than Bitcoin. This hairstyle is so good. Thank you. I call it the fucking wake up, not have a shower, and just kind of shake your head a little bit. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. Potential buyers coming up. I learned a lot from you, benefit even more from watching you live. The word "Hey Tony" got stuck in my head. China. We had the most black votes. Sleepy Joe Biden. Hi, brother. Hi. Hi. Have you just had an Indian head massage? No. Oh, bro. I was driving the other day and I looked over and some dude was getting an Indian head massage. It looked like the worst thing of all time. The last thing I would ever want is another grown man literally just doing this to my head. What time is NFP tomorrow? Go to a website called forexfactory.com or forexfactory.com and look for the red folder news under forexfactory.com. You'll see a red folder event called non-farm payroll. Trading there now about 2-3 weeks. Oh, remember the, yeah. Just start with prop firms, bro. Yeah, start with prop firms. What do you call a bear with no teeth? You got me, I don't know. Hello, Batman, hello. Hello, Batman. You didn't see Discord, bro? I will have a look at Discord right now. So yeah, I'm getting relatively interested in this. What prop firm you suggest? The prop firm I suggest is Funded Next, because if you use the link that that's in the description of this, I can't say too much because I'm on TikTok, but I'm about to put into the YouTube chat. 120%. You know, what's the word? It rhymes with refund once you get your first payout using that link. Oh, is it just non-farm change, not payroll? Ah, yeah, it's not non-farm. It's not NFP tomorrow, you guys. Yeah, it's not NFP tomorrow. It's the next Friday. It's next Friday. I don't know when it is. It's not NFP tomorrow. All right, so we've got 3 minutes here. If we get a bit more strength in this candle, or if we can at least hold up here, I'm getting pretty interested. Yeah, big fucking wick down here. We'll see. You got a new watch? I mean, I've seen some dudes like training at the gym with their watch on and stuff. I'm like, I don't know, man. I couldn't do it. Coin name, please. This coin name is called Donk. It's a new coin that everyone's getting behind. Just Donk. Can we withdraw? I like that this gave it a top wick now. Watch is shiny. Show me your watch real quick, man. Swaggy poo. Yeah, I think so, Mitch. Yeah, I think so. I think I am. I'm a bit skeptical on this big wick. I would love a big, decent retest on the next candle. Yeah, nah, I don't think I need it to close green, to be honest. Wow. Come on, dog. Don't do this to us. Yeah, and this is like been the story of the week, right? Just chop suey. Look at it. Just chop and ease. So what time London Open in Dubai, please? Sir, the time London Open in Dubai is at 12 p.m. Expensive watch is not a good strategy? What do you mean? I got 20 seconds here. Why don't you trade funded? I'm locked out of them. I just wanted to get 150 over these accounts just to qualify for another payout. Oh, really? Zuma? I could have swore it's... Nah, it's not. It says non-farm payroll and there's non-farm change. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have a look into it in a minute. All right, I'm going to need a bottom wick here and then I'm going to look at taking a buy. What coin you trade, bro? Daniel, did you feel good when you brought the watch? If yes, anything else? Don't. I mean, I just felt good in the sense that I've said it before, but it's like a reminder of like who I had to become and where I am and shit like that. That's like the main thing that feels good. What's your view on NFP? I don't know. Just gonna go up or down aggressively. So I want to wait till we get out of this 1 minute. Big wick down here. It's a bit scary, but I'm no quitter. Chicken dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna put a buy stop up here. It's a bit risky, but don't put the house on it because I could see a lot of this range still needing to be filled a little bit, like a bit of a retest and then a potential push. But I like it. 30-minute done this. I like it on the 1 hour. I do like it on the 1 hour. God damn, this range. This is just so wicky lately. Check this good. Okay, let's have a look in a sec. Sea Trader MT5, they're both good. Where do you live? Dubai. Put the parents' pension on it. Love to see a bit more of a bottom wick. There we go. Come on. Good boy. All right, now I'm more confident. Yeah, now I'm more confident. Nice. All right, cool. This is good. I've got a buy stop here, and we'll see if we can get a bit of a pop. Very good. No, I don't check the 5 minute. When trading on the 15, you really want to be checking the higher time frames. Even the 15 is not that reliable. Jesus, was reliable. That's why we always use higher time frame confluence. So to make sure the story is being told on multiple places. So the Dissy. Non-farm payroll. Oh, okay. I don't. Okay, maybe there is NFP tomorrow. Okay, strap back in for NFP then. Perfect retest. Yeah, this is looking better now. I think if it pushes, it should look good. Lol, I just win $40 in gold, but I don't know why I can't withdraw it from XNES. Can I use this strategy on XAUUSD? Yeah, you can. Oh, stop loss is crazy low now. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's it's pushing it, but I wouldn't want it to go any lower. Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't want to go too much lower. Alternatively, this comes up and closes like small body red here. That'd be good as well, but yeah, fingers crossed it doesn't go any lower. You ain't getting filled, sir. Bro, I'll do whatever I want. How about that? And if it does get filled, are you going to write an apology letter? Probably not, right? Have you guys seen that AJ Currency? He made a video the other day, and it says, who would, like, he is a professional troll. He goes, I'll give you $1 million if you think you could bash me up. And it got like over 1 million views and like 30,000 comments. I was like, yeah, that's good. That's good marketing. Good job. Good work, Chief. And people just like so hate him. People are so angry at him. Like, you can see he's just playing the game. So I'm going to cancel his stop order and just see if this comes back up. And close a small body up here. And then I'll put my order back in. I use your linker request to... Yeah, it's pretty funny. Yeah, it's all just engagement farming. I'd fight for half smoke cigarette. Yeah, if anyone's got any trades as well they want us to have a look at, I can pull it up on stream and do a bit of analysis on it. Here's the link to the free Discord. Send it in and we can pull it up on stream and do a bit of analysis on it. But only if you're a price action trader. Here's a link to the free Discord community. Put in Facebook as well. You buy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well, Bluey. So how long we got on the clock? 7 minutes here. Yeah, if this can retrace back up and just close small body up here, I don't care if it's red or green, I'll get ready to repurchase my order. Swept Monday's high. I'll sweep your high. Why do you like the 5 minute? It just serves no purpose for me. There is a burger. Yeah, it serves no... Bro, 666. Why do I keep seeing 666? The devil's... Bro, and I'm not even joking. I keep seeing it lately. And it's like... I feel like there's some sort of like the devil's effort to really try and fuck me up here. Because I'm moving closer to God. Man, have you guys read the book of Revelations? It's really concerning. But man, I keep seeing 666. And it's fucking... and I'm not falling for it, the devil, Lucifer. I got Jesus on my side, so you can get fucked. There's a burger. Just German is exactly that. Fuck. 666 lucky number? I don't think it's a lucky number. In the book of Revelation, 666 is what like the mark of the beast puts on either your forehead or your thing. Shows up when your thoughts, your life thoughts and energy are out of balance. I mean, I feel the opposite to that. There's a little bit of out of balance because just so busy and there's so much shit to do, but other than that. Oren, what up, my G? Oh, remind him to keep your mind on Jesus. Did you know that Tor markets is unregulated? Did you know that most brokers are unregulated? All right, so price is like really pushing down here. Nearly got a setup for the entire week. You know what I mean? There is a China in burger. The show Lucifer made the devil seem like a cool guy, just crazy. Yeah, that's the mainstream media for you. Daniel Rajabanks, he is CU? Wait, what? Mark of the Beast is coming in digital ID. I don't know about that, but I was watching a video the other day and it was like, if you kind of like look into some shit that was said in the book of Revelations, it says something like, you know, because they're visualizing what's going to happen in 2,000 years and putting it on paper and saying like, these are the visions. And he's like, there'll be snakes being shot out. There'll be snakes being shot out with flames behind them. And if you like translate that into what that would look like today, that'd be a missile, right? A snake with flames behind it. And then it said, there'd be a burst of intelligence. And then that intelligence, it said something like the intelligence would be transferred into a statue. The statue would talk. And then the statue would become like the beast. And that kind of sounds like AI, like giving a burst of technology, putting it into a robot. And I don't know, man, it sounded like, if you translate it into today's kind of terms. Yeah, and then it says there'll be a burger in China when Jesus was Bible. There is a burger in China. All right, let's have a look. If this wants to break below this level, I wonder what kind of things we want to think about. Yeah, bro, it's the worst thing you could ever do is work with an unregulated broker. Literally, as soon as you sign up, your whole house will explode. People will run in and kidnap your dogs. What would you do if you're up 6K realized? Realized or unrealized? If it's up 6K realized, then you're just up 6K realized. One day a trader will come named Pez. I'll give you a content idea. You could create content for every trade you take on this account, showing how you grew up from 5K to 100K. I'm kind of already doing that, but I can't be bothered. Like every time I'm about to take a trade, quickly recording, turning on the camera, recording me, like, I'm about to take a trade. You know what I mean? It's like too much. So I just, you know, I'll film a bit here and there and whatever. Jab your love. Yeah, I mean, we'll see if something happens here. Jesus is real. VWAP to the left for break below. Wait, Kyle, aren't you in the mentorship? All right, I've got a minute left here. Barcode incoming, bro. Maybe you will. Maybe you will make 1,600. All right, so yeah, bitch ass, not really a breakout, man. The market there, the vault, there's just some conditions this week have just been wow, like wow conditions. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. What are you going to do now? Yeah, what NPC that said there? Damn, you guys, job your love, but this is tough. NQ, what do you got? Nothing. In the book of Pesolations, it says that 2 trades a day. Pesolations, that's hilarious. Asia and London went back to their original state, yeah. No, AI won't beat humans, I don't believe. Chocolate donuts are glazed? I don't eat junk food. Man, it's so easy to diet when every morning I literally wake up and my meals are at the door. I'm just scared of the volume here. It's a pretty clean level. I'm a bit scared of this volume, that's all. Gold's not much better anyway. In the beginning. Check out my indicator for clear bias. It's amazing with gold homes. Am going live soon. Yeah. What do you eat in a day? It's just meat, vegetables, and some carbs either in the form of rice or potato. Potato. And eggs and shit. Yeah, it's really clean at the moment. Why not trust volume and go with sell? I mean, that's not really how trading works though. I can't just see a market moving down, because if I said that before, I said, fuck it, I'm gonna just trust volume because sell, and it's moving down here, and then I took a sell here and then it moved up. So it's like, it's not really a strategy. It's just like, you're just basing it based on how you feel. That's how traders get cooked. Have you, like, trust me, man, the market will do whatever like basic human thoughts is. If it moves up aggressively, basic human thoughts is, shit, let me buy it, it's moving up. And then that's the fear. So all the fear people buy, and that's when it pulls back. If you don't believe me, try it. You'll smash your hands into your desk going, they know that I'm buying. That's where people start going crazy and they start going, oh man, it's rigged. It's rigged. Like, they're stop hunting. No, it's just like mass dumb, like normal human psychology being displayed on the charts. Observe the masses and do the opposite. Exactly, because think about this. What were the masses doing when gold was up here at all-time highs? These goofballs buying gold physical in the thing. What happened then? See ya. So when all these people are on the news buying gold, what did I say to everyone in the mentorship? I'm like, boys, strap up for sells. Strap the bitch up for sells. Like, standard human psychology does not work in trading. It just punishes people. Trading just... Yeah, exactly. Yeah, people in Australia standing in the line buying physical gold, and it's like, what? What are you people watching? Like, Because all those people are just NPCs. They're only doing that because they all are tapped into the same news articles. They're all like when the zombie apocalypse comes, they're all the first to go. Like all those guys lined up to buy gold were all the first guys to go. So it's like, you know, you really want to be doing the opposite of those dudes. 100%. Jab your love. Hey, you guys, you see this on the screen here? Funded next in the description of my shit. But this part's the juicy part. Look at this. 120% here on first payout. Job your love. Link in description of the video. So I'm going to be patient here. I'm not leaving this chair until I get a trade. I don't care if I have to FOMO and force and break all my rules to get it. I'm getting a trade. I want to change the 15-minute time frame, but I don't get it. Then don't change. Because it's going to take a while. You're going to need to figure out a way. Okay, if I'm going to start to change time frames, then I need to follow a system that's proven, that shows at that time frame. You go, well, what about this Daniel guy? He seems to do all right on it. Well, then you're going to have to do a real deep dive. And you're only going to get so far picking and choosing from the videos and stuff like that. At some point, you're going to need to either sign up to the mentorship or sign up to the lower tier, which will give you course content access and community and, you know, the private live streams and shit. And if you're interested in that and taking it to the next level, danielholmestrades.com. I've been saying to the guys and girls is like, you know, this is a real good time to really tap in, because what's going to happen is we're going to train you up and you're going to come into 2026 sharp as an arrow. Like 2026 is like, all right, man, I've had my training wheels on. Now let's really get shit popping off. Ever been New Zealand? Nah, I'd like to go to New Zealand. The same, the Bitcoin gurus always saying it's the best opportunity to buy. Yeah, Bitcoin gurus are crazy. W mindset. Hello, do you follow Roger Banks? No, I don't. Who's that? Wow, okay, maybe there is, I don't know, man. This is looking very low volume. Yeah, you can sign up for the lower tier and then the mentorship later. Yeah, I've had heaps of dudes do that. Yeah. Because the main difference is the mentorship is us working one-on-one, where we book weekly calls and shit like that and like really fine tune together. With the lower tier, just kind of, it gives you access to the community, the course content, the live streams, and you know, the Sunday seminars and stuff. But yeah. Wow. Yeah. Like, let's just exercise some patience here. We've got this first 30. We've got this hour, the 1 hour and 30-minute shit closing here. Maybe impulse sells after this candle, but probably not. Doesn't look too hot. Then is it okay to go aggressive with the funded accounts or treat them like personal? Depends what level of trading, like your skill level is. Yeah, it'll depend on your skill level, my G. Like how long you've been in the game and stuff. At some point, like the more experienced guys will go like pretty aggressive. Yeah. What's your net worth, bro? Not much. A couple billion or something. A couple billion. Jab your love. What's Bitcoin actually doing right now? Just consolidating, sort of. It's below 100K though. Wow, it's well below 100K. Nah, dude, Bitcoin's fucking Michael Saylor or whatever. Yeah, Bitcoin's falling off the planet. Yeah, network's a couple burgers. There's a burger. Should we put a level here? Might as well, right? Yeah, I'll put a level here. If this 30 can come up and close up here, I think I'm interested in an impulse buy, wick fill. Let partials run up to all-time high. We'll see. Oh, nice, Pez. Yeah, let's get shredded. We should all get shredded. I'll be like Andy Elliott. If you join the mentorship, you have to take your shirt off. Come on, shirt off. What's wrong with some of you guys? What do you do? Sit around and jack off all day? How many cars you sold today? I prefer to have my mentorship in a studio with you on live stream so people can watch me. Wait, what? In a studio with you on a... I don't know what you mean. Sustra trade review I posted yesterday. Let's have a look at this Sustra trade review. And we'll have a look at Jimbo's real quick here. Jimbo, what time frame is this? I can't see. Yeah, I'd need to see what, oh, it's a 1 minute. Yeah, I can't do anything else on a 1 minute, unfortunately, because I don't do that. Let's see a look at trade review. Oh, look at this. I like this. Wait, what time frame? This is 15. What's this one then? 30. What's this one then? 1 hour. A bit risky, but I see. Yeah, I like this. I like this. These are some trades that there's going to be traders' discretion. Like you're going to develop. I understand why you took this. This is a good trade. This one's a bit tough because you could look at this and say this is a breakout level. But it's kind of like a weird bitch ass breakout level. I'd be interested to see what the other time frames look like. Yeah, bit of a sketchy one there, I'd say. Looks like a lot of consolidation through here. Hey, look at this, you guys, in the mentorship. Look at Shem over here. 21 wins with 2 losses. Young Ty here. You guys might have seen the podcast me and Ty did together. 20K over here. 13K over here. My boy's 19 years old. Sylvia, 3rd ever funded account. Young Ty again, 8K in 1 day. Really, bro? You guys sleeping on us in the mentorship? Shem, 2nd ever payout. He's been trading for 6 months. When Shem joined the community, he just started trading. 6 months later, this is his 2nd ever payout. The other one was bigger than this. The other one was like, I think nearly the max payout. More funded traders, more funded traders, more funded traders, more winners. So yeah, we got shit popping off in the mentorship, bro. This is how he makes his money, mentorship. I mean, you can actually look on my social medias and you'd see where I make money, but you're just a loser. I'm taking 2 more payouts tomorrow and they're both max payouts. And that'll be 9 payouts on Top Step in 25 days. And they're all massive payouts. They're all like nearly top bangers. Oh, you took that as well, Kashi? W. Okay. Wow, look at this, man. This is tough, bro. This is really tough. Oh, background music's not there? is there? NQ. Yeah, it's the only issue with NQ is there's no volume in there either. So this is the first hour breakout, the first hour of London. Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna be a little bit more patient here and see if anything pops up, but yeah, it's not looking too fun. You're looking at YouTube? I'm looking at multiple. "15-minute on pulse." Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe we can take an impulse here. Maybe a potential impulse sell here. 30's kind of coming down. One hour's a red. 30-minute close, strong, held down here. 15-minute potentially holding support. It's fucking ugly, man. I'm just canceling that for a minute. I'll just see how this develops a little bit. It's pretty ugly. Love your love. What are you looking forward to print? I just want, yeah, I'm gonna have to I just want to see how this candle develops a little bit more here. I really don't want it to push down. I don't want to sell. I don't want it to push down. I don't want to potentially sell. Thoughts on Nomad steak only diet? Nah. You need a good balance of everything. How do you score 9 payouts in something days? Because I have 5 accounts and I just keep cycling them. Yeah. Pretty sick, eh? And you have your love. Don't suck us into a cell. Look at this, 7 payouts in 15 trading days. This is on my Instagram. I'm about to add 2 more to these. It's going to be over a 50K month. And then this was like a 9.5, nearly 10K payout. I mean, move on this account. Wild, wild, wild. Yeah, I'm live trade on YouTube as well, yes. Cashy's 4 foot, yeah. I'd love this to break above here. What breakout sell? There is no breakout sell. Thanks, Joe. So yeah, I'm doing a bit of overtime here. We'll see what this candle can do. Doing a bit of overtime here. We'll see if this candle can do anything. If not, we'll just call it. Yeah, just call it. Yeah, PA's dog. I mean, if FOMC's later, maybe it's cooking up for later or something. I don't know how I used to stream for hours. Yeah, I do, Dean. It's in my it's in the bio on my YouTube. 120% refund. Once you get your first payout, you get 120% refund. So whatever you paid for the challenge, plus 20%. I do read the comments. It's just always just random doo-doo comments, so I don't answer them. Do you know if ex-students end up falling back into old patterns often? Do you keep track of them? Probably. Yeah, probably. You can, something I've learned about trading, like trust me, teaching trading is very difficult because you're basically teaching somebody a psychology and a mindset and a way to move through these markets. It's incredibly difficult to try to keep track and keep everyone online. So all you can do is like your best, but people will deviate and they'll end up in the depths doing all sorts of shit. And whether they come out of that or not, I don't know. It's very difficult to teach trading. So moving up here, 5 minutes. We'll see if it can break above, because I like how that could potentially look on the I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. TikTok, Tom, what do you mean? Course videos. Are you in the mentorship? Yeah, we'll see if we can break above this level. Oh, and I'm still using the old iPhone as well. What the fuck is that noise? Sorry, Facebook and TikTok, there's some weird noise. At the hardest time now, I have only a couple hundred left to get funded. It's psychologically so different. Yeah, trying to think about it. What you got to remember is even if you blow that account, it's who gives a shit. It's like $50. That's the biggest thing that you have to remember. That it doesn't matter if you blow it. L-theanine? What's that? What's a YouTube account? All my socials are the same name. David Holmes. David Jones Trades. David Jones. Susan, well, listen to what you said. I'm afraid that I do need to change of personality to become fit for trading, and I wonder if that's even possible. You do realize what you're basically saying is, I need to change something about me. I don't know if that's possible. You're in control of you. You can literally do whatever you want. It's you you're talking about. It's not someone else. So if it's anything about you, it can be changed. If this takes off, it'll be really depressing. You can fix her. Yeah, this could fix you. You know, it reminds me, I used to always say this thing, like when my life kind of sucks or I hated my life, I used to be like, oh man, I'm just fucking crazy. I always used to say that out loud as like an excuse. I was always like, man, I'm just fucking crazy. And then I realized that's some bitch ass shit to say that, because it's like, it's a kind of an out. I'm just like, oh yeah, I don't have to take responsibility because I'm just crazy. So nah. Feel like I play guitar as a hobby? Hell no. Nah. Come on, Gold. Don't do it, brother. Just wait up for us. I'm a naturally impulsive person as well, Susan. Massively, massively impulsive person. But, like I said, you're in control. So you can change that. The beat is banging in the background. I can't hear it. What is it? Nice. $40 seconds. See if we can hold above this level here. I may require superhuman powers. Well, you're already a superhuman. Created in the image of God, so you're essentially a god. So you're technically a superhuman already. So you got to delete all this vocabulary and all this thought diseases that you have. All right, looks pretty nice. I might look at taking a buy here if we can wick down and push up. Yeah, look for some sort of wick fill or something. Got to get out of this minute of this candle though. I can't take it in this first minute. is it letting me do my pending order? Now just massively reject all the way back down and all good. Wow, bro. Or small red, yeah. We'll see if this does want to keep pushing down here, I'll hang out to see if it starts to retrace up and hold above this level. Because that'll be a 30-minute closure and I'll still be interested, but if not, then it's just like, yeah, the market's just hell choppy, man. Oh, look at this. How big is this range? 54 ticks. Did you wash your hands? No. I was in a bathroom the other day doing a wee-wee, and the dude was washing his whole hands and his arm and shit like for ages. Like I walked in, he was washing his hands, and by the time I still walked out, he was still doing it. I was like, is your dick toxic or something? Right? Chernobyl dick type shit? Like, what are we doing? Yeah, that's it, Kyle. Yep. Oh, I've got to make this a little bit bigger because the stop is a bit steep. Yeah, break at the previous high. I'll see if give us a little crack. Man, these conditions are pretty whack. Like if it does push up here, I could see it fucking around for a bit. So be prepared to be stuck in this for a while. I could see it tagging in and then waiting the 15 closing up here and then continuing. We'll see. Or I might just keep going. I don't know. Are you aligned with any Christian Dominion? I don't know about any of that shit. All I know is Jesus is reliable. I don't know about Christians, Catholics, Orthodox. I don't know anything. I just know Jesus. I don't think it'll trade today. Market choppy. Good choice, man. Yeah, don't put the house on this because the market is choppy, you guys. I'd say size down. I'd say size down for sure. Yeah. Pretty chop suey-ish. Oh, look how much I got slipped. Holy slip. Slippery dip. That's unbelievable. Well, here we go. Fuck me. Slip central, man. Yep, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm in. Short video on YouTube. Now I'm here. Oh, dope. Good to have you here. Talking about MC. Yeah, I do trade futures, but I trade spot on my personal account. I'm using Tora Markets. There's a link in the description of my video on the YouTube. Let the crickets kick in. Let the crickets. I size down. Nice. Good stuff. How much was the watch, Dan? 27,000 Australian dollars. Trading's been okay. Yeah, just waiting. The markets are pretty choppy, or gold's pretty choppy, I should say. Would you say it's better than MT5? No, those are trading platforms. They're not actual brokers. They're trading platforms. So I might as well get rid of some of these fucking lines. There's lines everywhere. I'm an island boy. No volume, yeah. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see if there's any volume. That's why I said if you're gonna jump on, don't go crazy. It's pretty choppy. FOMC later, crazy. F-wit? It means probably what you think it means. Yeah. Means probably what you think it means. Do you offer copy trading automated? No, I don't offer that. Bone strat, yeah. No, but like I said, as I entered this, there's a high probability that price is going to dance around here for a bit. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So be prepared to be kind of chilling for a bit. Why do you avoid the first minute? I mean, because the first minute can just kind of like open up and no like direction is created yet. It seems like it's very risky because yeah, just let the first minute breathe. Especially if it's a 1 hour open candle as well. But I shouldn't even need to say especially. For me, it's just like a non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Pretty bullish, to be honest. What's your TP? I don't know. I'll just see where it runs and I'll take some size off as it starts to move up somewhere. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Maybe, Mitch. Maybe, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Send me a message on one of your one of my social medias, Gaurav. Grav dog. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm pretty bullish. Low gang. Crickets in the chat. We got crickets in the chat. I'm a cricket boy. Best way to improve psychology? Just don't give up on trading. Yeah, just keep trading and keep trying to get better. And be aware of your psychology, be aware of your physiology. Yeah. If you're not aware of your physiology and shit when you're in a trade, you probably realize that. Pay attention to like your hands. Are you fiddling a lot? Are you holding your breath a lot? Is your heart rate up? Like try to physically stop doing that shit. Like trick your mind and body. It can help you like automatically become that guy, pal. And yeah, what Mitch said there, just keep showing up every day. Yep. One of the biggest ways to determine success in trading is to keep showing up every day. Oh wow, this just closed. I didn't even realize. Yeah, holding above on the 30. Not yeah. Let's have a look. I'm not interested in adding to this just because the conditions today are so choppy, or this week to be honest. But it looks pretty nice. I mean, if it doesn't play out, then fuck me. I've done my job. Yeah, I wouldn't complain about this trade if it doesn't want to play out. For sure. For sure, not complain. Check out Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas is great for psychology. Yeah. For sure. Got a nice wick up here. I'd be looking for some sort of wick fill, to be brutally honest. See if we can get there. But yeah, if this doesn't at least push up to here without coming back down and breaking this low, then fucks me. I've done my job, man. I thought this is all the boxes are ticked kind of thing. The only box that's not ticked is it's quite choppy this week, and that's it. So we're playing the game of probabilities. Just got to take the trades that stack the most in your favor based on your system, really. CPI, I mean, whatever news there is later, it won't affect this London right now, no. Does the direction of the first displacement of each, I don't know what the displacement means. When did you turn a corner psychological wise? Oh, after so much heartache, really, personally. I specifically remember saying to myself, it's either you stick to your rules or you just quit trading. And then I didn't stick to my rules still. So then I just kept showing up and then eventually just had to. Like, you'll change your psychology when you have collect enough data. Because the data will always show. My shit always showed like, oh yeah, I'll be trading good, and then just one day it would go down. And that one day was always like a tilt psychological cook day. So I was like, man, eventually you're just gonna have to fucking stick to your shit, because the data shows that when you don't, you lose. And when you do, you win. Doesn't mean you win the trade every time, but it means you win in the long run. Resistance at 27 tick. Yeah, what Mitch says there. Some potential partials if we can get there. Yeah. We've got the 4-hour closures coming up as well. Would really like to survive this trade. Yeah. Trade your rules, not beliefs. Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, I like that. You close 50. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. I'll hold to. I'll hold her. I kind of anticipated this before I even jumped in the trade. I said something like this could happen, very likely. It's going to be hard for me to want to cut size on this particular trade. I'm an island boy. Not much risk. Yeah, good man. Yeah, I lowered my risk as well just because of the conditions today. Can you believe those Island Boys were famous for a minute? Yeah. I mean, I can believe anything at this point. Euro CPI? Yeah, that's not going to affect gold though. Yeah, that won't affect gold. Perfect 30 retest. Yeah, we'll see if it wants to pop its head up. See if it wants to pop its head up. Bruh, just buy it. Bruh, I already did buy. Look at the screen, doofus. Oh, I just realized. I wonder why you guys on TikTok can't see that. There you go, TikTok. Someone ban Jack, yeah, legit. Someone ban everyone. If it breaks the high, will you move your candle's currency? Yeah, it's a good idea. If it breaks the high and has a little bit of a push, I think I would let it, if it can, I would, yeah, I think that's, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what any of the music's called, bro, sorry. So 20 minutes for the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour on Forex and futures looks bullish as fuck. But anything can change. Can we see like at least green just for like a second gold? You know what I mean? Can we just see like a slither of green, or do we have to go into immediate drawdown and stay there? Billions of drawdowns. Guessing game gamble, yeah. I mean, one of my fucking Top Step accounts has been well over a month. Every day's been green. I haven't had a red day yet, which is not good. I don't want to brag about that because it can fuck your psychology up. One of the other ones is only one red day. I've lost trades, but I've always finished the day red, green on somehow. I need this money, man, please, please. Come on, man, please. I think you need a haircut. No, I just had one. Please. Why does slippage happen? Oh, what's going on? Is there news? Something hitting? I've seen the spread opening up there. What the fuck? That was scary. Because when news is about to hit, you'll see the spread start. You'll see the spread go like that, or when there's a lot of volume coming in. Oh, that was fucking scary. What I'll do, Mitch, yeah, what Mitch said, if it breaks its own current wick now, I'm going to cut 50%. 100%, yeah. If it breaks its own bottom wick now, I'm going to cut 50%. Definitely. Yep. Yeah, exactly, Pez. Yep, I'm around the same, around 5 weeks. Yeah. And it's not good. It's not good. It's definitely not, it's definitely not good for multiple reasons. One of the biggest is you want to maintain that. Yeah, so if it breaks its own bottom shits, definitely be cutting size. Give me money. That's how it works. That's exactly how it works. To get money, you go into a random live stream and just say, give me money. That's the #1 way to get money. Nice. Or TP. I don't know about where TP is somewhere up in this up high, but I'll be cutting partials around here. You know, fill in some of this range if we can get there, and then whatever else. Yeah. Are you in? Yes, sir. You can see on the screen. You can see all the numbers down here, you guys. Like, you know, look, open your eyes. I'll tap the high on futures. Oh, look at the 4 hours flipping on futures. Bro, what this trade did here is exactly what I said it was going to do before. I said if we enter now, it's probably going to dick around. The 30 is going to close here. Then you're going to get a 30 retest. Be prepared to stay in this trade for a while. Did I not say that? So the importance of like keeping your cool in these trades is so fucking important, man. Yeah, I look to close some very soon here. I want to get a little bit more out of it. Break its high one more time and I'm going to close some. If it breaks its high one more time, I'm going to close some. You're at BE. Yeah, I'm going to move my stops up below the current candle wick as well. If you want to go to BE, that's a good call as well. Yeah, I'm going to go to BE. I'm going to go to BE. I'm just going to secure. If I get stopped here, I probably potentially should have. Now, you know what? I'm not going to go to BE. I'm going to go. I'm going to go underneath the current candle wick. I don't have a reason to go BE yet. There's no reason for me to go BE yet. You're at 23 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, nice. If you close some there, very good. Yeah. I'm not going to go BE. The only reason is because I don't have a reason to right now. Otherwise I would. So I'm going to instead get ready to take off some size here. Break its high. Yep, I'm cutting 80%. Now I'm going to BE. McDonald's, I quit. I quit. I'm a full-time day trader. I quit. He did it again. He did it again. Called it, did it, banged it, bananaed it. Now it's running to full TP. Thank you. Come again. Running to full TP. My full TP is up here, above this range. I'm anticipating above this range to get tapped into. That's what I'm anticipating here. W. Drop a dub in the chat if you caught that as well, gang. Big man things. Bang bang banana, yes sir. I'm anticipating this range up here to get tapped into, so I'm letting mine run up to there. Let's go. They sleeping on us. They sleeping on us. Bro, I called this to a T. I said, be prepared to be in it for a while. Be prepared for this, that. Past 2 funded accounts over here, someone did. Full TB about to get tapped. Tap that. That's what's up, my dudes and dudettes. I was saying, man, I'm bullish. I'm fucking bullish, eh? Hey, bro. Cousin, sorry. Bro, fully, Mitch. Fully. Like, it's exactly what we thought. The importance of just keeping your cool in that waiting period. Oh, you weren't able to catch that? Static, fuck. Yeah, nice. See if my thing's right there. Oh, why am I waiting? I'm just going to close it. Who gives a shit? Yep, I'm out. Oh, bro, I'm $25 away from being at 19,000 on this account. I'm going to enter another trade. I need to see a full number. We did it again, gang. We did it again. Rinse and repeat. Beautiful stuff. Love you guys. Hopefully you had a good trade there and just lock out now, or just do whatever. Just walk away. You've done your job. Don't give the market back any money. Don't give it back any money, bro. Type shit. I'm gonna go now. Thanks a lot for showing up, and I'll see you up. Oh, look at this, pushing more. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 666 again. Fuck off. I've got to figure this out. All right, love you guys. Appreciate you. I'll talk